Just doing a quick update on US dollar yen. Here we've got a combined technical weekly chart of US dollar yen spot. So the weekly lines are yellow trends, pink monthly, quarters brown. So you can see we're in two opposing channels at the moment, which explains largely why US dollar yen is trapped at the moment. If we look right here, you can see we've got this sort of down channel from July 15, and then this more recent up channel, and we're stuck right in the middle. So fair to say US dollar yen is trapped at the moment. Having said that, when I look at this chart here right now, we're making a range. We are coming into the end of the month, which is also the end of the quarter, and we are making a distribution around last quarter's close and last month's close. For me, a weekly close above 11795 is going to open up this 115 area to the upside. So look for a monthly close on yen above this, above the 20 June high at 111.79. Conversely, the downside, what we don't want to see is taking out this weekly closing support at 110.334 on a weekly basis. That would lead to further weakness. If we zoom now into the weekly chart, here it is here. Once again, the standout feature there is that we have come off semi-annual support. We are at last quarter's close. The market's trapped. Typically, we don't like trading trapped markets because they're, by definition, they're in the middle of a distribution, so they can be quite choppy. That said, if we zoom into the short term now, this is a 60-minute chart. Here's your key support and resistance levels in the short term. This is the high that we need to take out at the end of the month for the yen to move up probably four big figures or so. Here's your weekly and monthly closing supports, and really you've got you're at the first down right here, which is our daily bearish pivot. So we'd like to see the yen hold here in the short term if it is in fact going higher. So summary for me is that, well, the yen is trapped at the moment. I don't really have any incentive to trade it. I don't have any divergence-based buy signals like we had down here at the low or up here at the high. When there's no signals, we don't act. That said, I am looking for a bullish close above 111.79, or even a weekly close below bullish close at the end of the month above 111.74, and bearish on a close under 110.334, and in the more extreme case, if we happen to be closing under this low at 108.128, then the yen can fall basically back down here to 101. So I think it's best to leave the yen alone at the moment and wait for a close either above this recent high, or depending on how aggressive you are, either underneath this low or on a break of this weekly closing support. So I hope that helps.